Just like any plant, trees and shrubs need moisture and nutrients to thrive. With Ross Root Feeder, you can deliver much-needed water and fertilizer in the spring, summer, and fall directly to your trees or shrubs' roots without worrying about overwatering or measuring. You may also use the feeder to deep root water alone without fertilizer in the chamber. Using the root feeder is simple. First, connect your garden hose to the root feeder. Make sure the connection is tight so the water doesn't leak. Load one of the root feeder refills and flip the lever on the root feeder to the on position. Turn on the hose and then insert the drip tube into the soil, where water drips from the leaves of the tree when it rains. This is also called the drip line. Use the stamped dimples in the side of the tube to determine how far it needs to be inserted, usually 6 inches for shrubs and 12 inches for trees. Never insert the root feeder at the trunk or base. Let the drip feeder work for 20 minutes, then move to another location around the tree. The fertilizer will continue to work its way into the soil around the tree's roots, along with the moisture. When you're done, remove the root feeder from the soil and turn off the water. How often your plants need the Ross Root Feeder will vary by season, rainfall, and location. You can always check with the experts at your local Jobs retailer. Keeping your trees and shrubs watered will ensure they continue to thrive for years to come. The Ross Root Feeder is one of many great Jobs tools you can use to keep your garden healthy. To learn more about the Ross Root Feeder and all our gardening products, go to jobscompany.com. At Jobs, we grow better things.